Hello everyone, so for today's video guys, I show you what here inside in Els Minimart. Let's go! I show you first the in front of the store, which is everyone can see. So this side in upper portion, we have the chicheria. So means chicheria, the junk foods. Yeah, here. And also we have here the baskets and the bread. So this is the front side of the store, the small window. And this side and the lower portion of that baskets and bread, we have also basket and pack. So just like this kind of baskets we have here. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 kind of baskets. And beside that baskets, we have the candies and chocolate. So candies here, and this is chocolate, and also this is Paju bar. Yeah, also chocolate bar. The Lucky Bamba. Many snowball. In our candies, snowball is the best seller. So we have many snowball. Below this area is the cellophane, the plastic one. And that side is the Wi-Fi, the vending machine for Wi-Fi. So this is, and then the small window and candies. Yeah, candies for 1 peso. This is marshmallow for 5 peso. But that side, all of these candies are only 1 peso. This is a piece of pie for 5 peso. All these candies are only 1 peso. And the lower portion of the candies is our table. Yan. Our small table with drawers. And we have no money. We have many queens. And this side is the papers, everything. Beside this candies, of course, our mirror, so that I can see my face and Jesus Christ and Mama Mary. Of course, this is the most important that we have here in our store, our guidance. And above side, by the way, we have lantern, a Christmas lantern. This is only 2 for now. I sell it for 15 pesos. I will make it more, but not for now. It's only 2. This is chicharon for 5 peso. Very tasty. Made of macaron. Yan. In the left side of the store, we have here, of course, our lantern made by me. Toothbrush, ketchup, vinegar, soy sauce. In the upper portion, yan. In the lower area, we have bihon, sutanghon, udong, miswa, vinegar made by coconut, disposable cup and spoon, and also straw. Yeah. From above, in the 3rd layer, we have here sponge, then soap bar, there's washing liquid, and also there's Zonrox. Yan. In a lower portion, a sachet toothpaste, different kind of toothpaste. We have Close Up, Colgate, and Happy. And also bath soap, different kind of bath soap. Bioderm, Safeguard, Kojisan, Papaya Kojic, Skin White, Salka. Yan. This is only what I bought because it is only the sellable here in our province. I choose only the best among of all kinds of bath soap, toothpaste, bar soap. Yun. And below that sachet is an egg here, the side egg. And below we have here a Sanduay stock. And also here we have many candies here stuck. So that's for the left side. Left side, yun. So, below. And the center and the left side of the center. This is the center area. And the center in the upper escalon, we have here the sanitary napkin, tissue, diaper, and also we have here a face towel and socks and medyas. Yan. Sanitary napkin, tissue, yan. And the lower portion, we have the canned goods. Of course, we have that sardines, tuna, beef loaf, corned beef, and the different kind, yun, canned goods. And this is coffee in pack, 25 grams. And a third escalon. By the way, in the center, we have this candle. I put here the candle. In the third area, we have the seasonings. Pork and beans. And also this crispy fry. In this area, we can see the condensed milk, the cream, and also evaporada milk. We have also this alamang, margarine, oatmeal, salt, and lighter. We have also here the mosquito killer, lion tiger, and this is pito herbal medicine. We have also here, because it's sellable here, the yarn for crochet, for decoration, for everything. And this side is our perfume. So we can see here the different kind of perfume. This is the tester, and this is the product. Yan. The thread. So tanod. And a lower portion, straight of this bath soap, in the center, we have here the seasonings. This is seasonings. Yan, cheese. We have here the cheese, ham spread, then sinigang, gulaman. All this side is seasonings. And in this tray, we have 3 trays here in the front. Here in our first tray, we can see this is the medicine box. We have 7 medicine box and different kind of medicine. Antibacterial, pain reliever, also vitamins we have here. And the ripak. This is gaw-gaw, pampalapot for different kind of cooking. And cooking oil, sugar for 5 peso. We have here the fermented fish. Lower of that is the white sugar, brown sugar, and salt. And below is the cooking oil, 1/4 per kilo per pack, 1/4 kilo per pack. And the second trays, this is in a lower portion. We have here the margarine, cup noodles, 3 kinds of cup noodles, garlic, onions. This is popcorn. This is corn for popcorn, and mongo. Below that, we have a hair clump, different kind of hair clump. Also here, and also here. And below is we have slipper and sandals for men and women. And also in the third tray, we can see here the school supplies. Usually the school supplies like this: pencil, ball pen, yun, glue, eraser, yun. And here's in the side, we have also here alcohol, face powder, deodorant, baby oil, and also hot plus, and battery. And also there a beauty product. Yun. Below that is the notebook, papers, coupon band paper, and colored paper. So yun. And the side also we can see the deodorant, of course, the gel, the kiwi, and also this. This is our pillar. We call it our pillar pin. This is a holding for cell phone, eraser. And in the center, we have here, this is the center above. We hung different kinds of powdered soap. Yun. And this area is the shampoo and conditioner. Yun. And this is juice. Tang nasty. Juice in a pack. Coffee in this area. Coffee. Yun. Different kind of coffee. And there we have here a mighty band. Yun. What else? Toothbrush, thread, tanud. Yun. This is the door. Well, this is my business permit and the papers. So this is the door for outside. I put the powdered milk in a pack. Yan. We have here the timbangan. Below here we have the rice, the corn, and feeds for chicken. And this is feeds for chicken. So we are in a right side of the store. Below here in the right side, we have that. Yun. A bottle juice, energy drinks, soft drinks, and a bottle. And also hard drink. This is only our hard drinks. Mojito, Tanduay Light, Tanduay Select, Tanduay Dark, yung Shuktong, and that's Kulapo. Below that is the noodles. Yan, Pancit Canton. Noodles, beef, chicken, hot and chili noodles. So this is the right side of the store. And this is the camera. The cam 2. This is the chair when I want to take a nap here. Yun, a relaxing chair. Well, in the center, I'm not sure it the dried fish, 2 kind of dried fish here. And we have our selling pan above. So overall, our little store in Els Minimart. Our little store. Small but full. Small but we have different kind of items and everyone needs. We are also accepting GCash. The piso Wi-Fi machine for internet connection, and this side the cam one. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. That's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.